What is up everyone? Hope so you're doing well. You're watching WS Solution channel and in this quick tutorial we are going to fix Discord black screen problem. So first of all just do subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're first time on this channel. So to fix black screen problem on your Discord, simply first of all just right click on taskbar and open task manager and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.